Is a remap worth it? It's the most common question we get asked, and of course the answer is yes, but it does depend on the kind of driver you are and the kind of vehicle you've got. So what does a remap actually do? Well, it actually rewrites the software in the ECU, the engine control module. What that means is you can change the way the car delivers its power and how much power comes in. In the case of this beautiful Renault, from 250 to 310 horsepower. Or, if you prefer, you can actually remap for economy. If you want your car to do better MPG, a remap can help with that too. So it's not about putting the customer into the biggest or most expensive package, it's about finding the package that's right for them. And it could just be a simple remap, or a bespoke exhaust system, or it could be a pulley and home tuning package, or it could be suspension upgrade, induction kit, or a complete staged program. So whatever's right for you. Interestingly, from the driver's seat, the first thing you notice isn't the number on the page, it's the way the car feels. It's the way the throttle pulls more cleanly, it's the urgency of the car. And if you're overtaking, it's just less stressful and of course much, much safer. So a huge part of the equation is safety and trust. You're about to rewrite the software that controls the engine, so the right checks, the right tools, and the right experience are really important before you start. Paramount actually offer a free diagnostic check before any work begins to make sure that your vehicle is suitable. And should you require any further parts like induction or exhaust, they can advise on exactly the right things you need. So it's important to understand how the tuning process works. If we remap the car, that's what we call a stage one. So the software is improved, the car has more performance, more throttle response, you're going to love it. But like all human nature, we always want more, don't we? So then we can add hardware, we could add an induction kit, and then we could add an exhaust system, and we can remap again. That's what we call a stage two. So you're really starting to use the car's greater aerobic capacity to give you even more performance. And you're then on a journey, which is really the only limit of which is your budget or your bravery. The car can then become almost as quick as you want. You can change further components, get more performance. But the nice thing is, Paramount is here to hold your hand every step of the way, helping you to build the car you've always wanted to drive. So is a remap worth it? I would say undoubtedly, but it really does depend on you getting the right advice on both tuning and componentry before you start. And that's exactly what Paramount will do for you. And that will give your cars levels of performance or economy that you wouldn't believe. Now, if you give the guys your registration number, they'll tell you exactly what's possible with your vehicle. And all you have to do is go to paramount-performance.com and find out everything they do for your car there.